Halo, gua lagi ada di Halo semuanya, gua Arash Buana. Gua adalah penulis lagu and a producer. And yeah, I'm a very talented guy. That's one thing for sure. But intinya hari ini gue mau bedah lirik salah satu lagu terbarunya gue yang judulnya Hey I'm Tired. And yeah, the song is mainly about my personal life, tentang kehidupan pribadinya gue, yang hubungan gue sama pacar gue yang sekarang. Untuk nambahin konteks, kita tuh sebenarnya LDR, dan ya ini tuh lagu LDR gitu, untuk kayak menceritakan kisah personalnya gue. Misalnya gue lagi manggung atau apa, gue overthinking tentang cewek gue gitu. Sebenarnya tuh it's as simple as that. Cuman ya, since it's actually true, akhirnya tuh enak aja gitu. Hey Dan, I'm tired. Just want you to know I'm trying to get it right. It gets harder as it goes. I hope you don't mind to wait for a few days till I'm home. Yeah, well, it's as what it is sebenarnya. Jadi Din is panggilan gue ke cewek gue. Intinya kayak gue udah capek kayak dengan kerjaannya gue dan lain-lain. And then kayak ya gue posisinya lagi LDR juga sama cewek gue. Ntar kita teleponan kali ya jam 12 malam. Karena gue tuh kebiasaannya gue sama cewek gue tuh, gue bakal callan when the day is done gitu. I do not want to disturb her and she doesn't want to disturb me. But if it's free, kita berdua free, oke kita teleponan. Cuman ya kurang lebih kayak gitulah. I'll call by 12 when I'm all alone. Recharge myself, it's me and you on the phone. I could see you tearing up yourself like it's fine. I could see the tears you held back inside. Yeah, so, and that part, itu tuh kayak yang tadi gue jelasin, gue bakal teleponan sama cewek gue setiap malam. Ya, kalau misalnya bisa. Cuman ada satu momen di mana something's wrong gitu loh, something's off. Dan kayak, ya, gue bisa ngeliat kalau dia tuh udah overwhelmed sama hubungan ini. Udah LDR, terus gue nya juga di industri entertainment, like the busyness that I have dan lain-lain, and it just gets very confusing for me to find like a solution towards our relationship. Every time I try to sleep, keep on wondering, darling, how do you feel? Is it getting overwhelming? Hoping you won't let me go, though I truly understand. But you should know well, I like to overthink a lot. I think over the possibilities that can happen in the relationship and lain-lain. And yeah, gue nggak suka kalau misalnya kayak hubungan ini tuh gue egois untuk ngambil yang penting dianya ada buat gue gitu. Dan yeah, even though like gue nggak mau dia untuk ninggalin gue atau lepasin gue, hoping you won't let me go, but I truly understand that if it's not possible, then okay. I'm really missing you. But there's nothing I can do. You're the one who makes me happy. Everything gets heavy. Sorry, but I'm really missing you. She has to know that I do miss her. Okay, gue kangen sama dia, even though there's nothing that I can do. Like, come on man, gue udah LDR, gue juga sibuk dan lain-lain. Cuman I feel like I have to let her know bahwa she's the one who made me happy when everything gets heavy gitu. And that's like the contribution of her to my life. And yeah, so there's no conclusion towards it. I'm stuck on tour, still 5 days to go. Thought I saw you, long hair, white shirt, beautiful blur. So, gue lagi sibuk manggung, I'm on tour. Gue masih lama lah ketemu sama ceweknya gue gitu. And yeah, kalau di lagunya it's 5 days kan. But sometimes I like to see like a silhouette of my girlfriend maybe to indicate that I actually miss her. So whenever like I see a fan atau ada yang nonton gue dan lain-lain having like the same outfit yang biasa dia pakai itu I reminisce towards tayang. I don't even know is it worth going for a moment that I'll never get to see her again. I think I lost cause when I'm on stage. Do I really have to say goodbye? Now, kayak gue tahu gue punya tanggung jawab yang besar sama karir gue. Cuman kadang-kadang kayak gue nggak tahu gue lanjut atau enggak ya gitu. Maksudnya dengan ini semua gitu. Dengan ada resikonya bahwa gue nggak bisa nih sama cewek gue gitu karena posisinya gue, kondisi gue. And yeah, it's very hard to date an artist, man. Lu pada harus cobain deh kalau misalnya mau. I really miss her touch. I just really wanna see her. Yeah. Yeah, in that part itu intinya gue kangen aja. Udah selesai. Don't get me wrong, it's convenient having crowds all going loud. Two different states and two meanings. She's not here to be around. So in that part, I'm explaining of me going on stages and stages. Yeah, don't get me wrong, it's very convenient. Like I enjoy being on stage. I enjoy being the center of attention, like people screaming my name. I enjoy that thing. Yeah, going to like different states, kayak aja gitu loh sebenarnya. Kan di Indonesia nggak ada states ya. I'm just like, yeah, masukin karena enak aja. Tapi yeah, going to different states or different cities with two meanings, and she's not here to be around gitu. And yeah, that really sucked, man. Kayak I had to choose between this one and that one. I pray to God make her happy before I fly back straight to you. Yeah, that's just like me trying to express how much big my feelings are towards her, and all I can do is just pray for her and just wish for the best. Kurang lebih gitu sih lagunya. Oh, by the way, fun fact. I wrote this song before gue jadian sama cewek gue yang sekarang. So, dari tadi gue cerita kayak gue ini dan lain-lain. Pas gue nulis lagu ini, it was all fictional. Tapi pas gue udah pacaran, it became non-fiction for some reason. So I don't know if that's like a manifestation or something, but yeah, let's say I'm tired.
Namanya bukan.
Iya, tapi itu bukan nama aslinya. Itu bukan nama aslinya. Itu tuh Adeline tuh nama samarannya.
Mantap.
Tapi namanya tuh panggilannya Din. Nah,
Mendekati itu.
mendekati. Jadi kalau misalnya cewek gue bule gitu, nah Adeline gitu.
Ini lo LDR real atau nggak berarti?
Real, real. Gue bikin lagu ini sebelum gue LDR. Tapi pas udah LDR ternyata kejadiannya sama kayak di lagu ini. Oh, ya gue pakai ini kan sebagai gue kayak pas lagi PDKT gue kasih aja lagunya gitu kan. Biasalah. Strategi, bro.
Lu berarti tipikal orang yang oke dengan LDR atau enggak?
Gue. Yeah, to be honest, if it,
Tahu nggak saya kayak rumah.
to be honest, it doesn't work for me. But for some reason, gue sama cewek gue yang sekarang is a very unique experience. Karena before gue pacaran sama cewek gue hati-hati nih ngomongnya nih, karena karena ya. Before gue pacaran sama cewek gue tuh nggak mau pacaran lagi. Gue udah nggak ada hasrat untuk pacaran atau apa-apa. Enggak juga, emang nggak tertarik aja. Gue nggak tertarik sama itu. Gue pandangan tentang girls, I don't see them as a girlfriend. Tapi pas sama cewek gue yang sekarang iya, walaupun kemarin hampir putus lagi ya, tapi ya begitulah bang, bos. Kurang lebih gitulah bos. How to commit with that? How to commit with that? You gotta have self-control, man. You have to have self-control. You have to know yourself before going inside of her mind. So you have to ask for yourself, what do you want?
Any tips?
Any tips untuk LDR?
Iya.
Gak usah, gak usah.
Kalau nggak mau pacaran.
Kalau nggak mau, kalau nggak mau berat nggak usah LDR. Cuman kalau misalnya lu baru udah LDR, intinya just have big trust, because having that big trust and having that high self esteem, pasangan lu nggak bakal selingkuh sama lu. Cuman kalau lu terus ngekang, ada kemungkinan dia bakal melakukan hal yang sebaliknya. Jadi ya, it's a very tough road untuk mengambil jalur itu. Intinya lu harus percaya diri, itu yang paling penting. Dan percaya sama dia juga. Anjing, keren banget nih. Gue terlalu keren dah. Fuck. Sorry. Halo semuanya, jangan lupa untuk dengerin album terbarunya gue, Live Update. yang ada lagu Hey I'm Tired juga, tapi tentunya lagu-lagu yang dalam sana juga nggak kalah keren ya. Yeah, I'm very happy with this album, so I hope you guys are too.